Welcome to luxury loft-style living. Here's your chance to own this amazing opportunity in one of the hottest and rarest communities in the heart of the remarkable city of Detroit. Just steps from Belle Isle and walking distance to downtown. This ultra spacious, amazing first floor loft offers super high ceilings, luxurious newer kitchen with all new appliances and granite countertops, huge kitchen island with a spacious dining room alongside a large yet cozy living room, huge master bedroom suite with a master bath, another supersized bedroom, artsy interior design, an abundance of natural light. The fine amenities include a fitness center, dry sauna, outdoor swimming pool, outdoor hot tub, covered parking, a clubhouse, and a courtyard. The historic yet modern Lofts at Rivertown has everything you're looking for.